Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. But before we go on that, you know what? We need to face this actually. So I'm introducing something new. It's a mentorship, VIP mentorship. So this is going to start, I can say January, but you can still actually book your spot, reserve your spot. So it is going to be $350. So how long? Actually, it's going to be 12 months. 12 months. So do you know that you can make it actually in the market? You can make it. You just need someone who is going to hold you accountable, be there on your side during the ups and downs of the market. You know it's difficult, especially most people that I realize that mostly the people who trade, some of them mostly are breadwinners, or maybe they are working and they're just trying to make it in life. But it's difficult. They've been donating some cash for quite some time. So we are going to introduce this VIP mentorship just to be on your side from scratch until you start to get to consistent profits. Not only when you start to know how to draw or how to analyze the market, but until you make consistent profits. You see, so I'm dedicating my time for 12 months. We can start, everyone can start to reserve their spot from now on, but we're going to start January. Then from January until December, it means once I stop, it has to be like, we have to be 100% sure that you are consistent. We have to face it. Sometimes there are so many people who are in the market trying their best, trying the analysis, trying different strategies, but nothing is coming. Nothing. Maybe even people ask you, what do you do with your money? You always donate to the market most of the time. There is nothing you can show to say I'm a trader or something like that, because especially people, they will expect you to have something when you are a trader. You see, so let's change that. Let's change that. Let's start to focus on the growth. You've been in the market for quite some time, or maybe you're starting out. You see, so what I'm going to introduce here is just going to be tailored for you. Then for 12 months, I know you're going to be good. I'm going to leave you when you start to be consistent, and just to help you, and maybe we can change something. So this is going to be limited for only 30 people. Why? Because for the whole year, I will be focusing on those 30 people. So for those who are serious, for those who want to make it, for those who need some serious assistance, you know that you need some assistance. So you can just let me know. You can be part of the team. So it's going to be $350. I know there is people who charge like 1,000, 7,000 just for mentorship. So, but to be honest, you are not forced to join only me. If you feel like there's someone who can actually help you, because I know there's people who are struggling with the market, and they still try to find a different strategy. Sometimes it's not about the strategy. Psychologically, you also need to change the habit that you're repeating on the market. They need to change, but you might not see that. You need someone who is going to see things differently from what you see. You see, so yes, we are going to take only 30 people for 12 months starting from January. Then you can let me know if you want to be part of that team. So I know it's very hard for people who want to make it, but still they try, but nothing. You see, so maybe you just need a different direction, and it's painful. But what I can tell you is, yes, you can make it. You will make it. So, anyways, for those who maybe wants to join only the signals, here are the VIP's signals. So you can scan this QR code or maybe my contact number there. Just WhatsApp me. You can be part of the team. You see, so sometimes we don't really have to just entertain only the signals here and there, but at the same time, we're just watching my analysis. But you're not profitable. When we say, oh, we did eat yesterday 1 2 3, you are struggling. Where you are, it's like maybe God doesn't really love you. God loves you. God gave you something. Maybe you need help from someone else. You need some assistance. So anyways, without wasting your time, let's go straight to the analysis and see what's really happening. So before we go on the analysis, we have to go on the economic calendar. What's really happening on in the economic calendar? Yesterday, it was very nice, guys. It was like seriously nice. Why? Because the market actually reacted exactly the way I thought it would. So we had a Federal Reserve, FOMC. So they did not really increase the rate, and they specified that, you know what, we are going to have 3 cuts. What's really happening? Oh, wait. What's really happening? Okay, sorry. I think my webcam is not really working very nice today, but it's fine. So, what's really happening? It's fine. We can just continue. I think this thing has some issues. So anyways, it's fine. You can see that they saying that we are going to have 3 cuts, indicate 3 cuts coming in 2024. This is good news for those who don't know. This is very good news because it shows that prices are going down, and which means they're going to cut the rates, which means people, they can start to afford because the rates are now going lower. The rates are now going lower. So that is good. That's why we see the market pushing to the upside. If maybe you did not know, yes, the market is going up because the rate cuts are on the way, right? So let me clear this because I think we have some issues. I don't know if maybe it's my webcam or something, but anyways, let's start with DXY. We're going to be as quick. We're going to let me just show you what we had actually. So we had some US30s days before SSL, and guess what? The market did go according to what we were expecting, which is a good thing. And I hate to say that, you know what, we smashed that. If you did not smash, at luck, maybe next time. So, but to us, it was obvious. The market already showed us that we're breaking out of that downtrend, so on that uptrend. So we had a very nice retest yesterday. FOMC was just continuing to show us that, you know, we are going down. So I'm still expecting to see some serious sells. So, but today maybe we will have some reversals here and there. JPY, the market went lower again, which is good. You saw I've been talking about this area, and I said, you know what, I will wait for the market to come back, or maybe for a retest before you get in the market. So from here, I think we need to have a nice buy. The market might still push the upside. Why? Because we are on the support area. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. On the next one, we can see we had USD Canada. I like the fact that I've been talking about this structure with my students in the group, and they've been eager to sell around this area. And you know what? The market actually acted exactly the way we wanted, and that is very good. So which means they did smash that. So let's push to the next one. I'm just trying to update you guys. It's not like maybe we're talking about eating. It's something that we preach every day. You saw the analysis yesterday, even day before that. So what's really happening on DXY, dollar index? This is where we start most of the time. If you still remember, the market was around this level yesterday, or the market was just playing around this level. So I've been talking about this downtrend for quite some time. Guess what? The market did respect that. So now, even though we have a rejection, what we know is the market will end up continuing with this downtrend. And I think this is the start of the trend. For those who trade Nasdaq and US30, the trend just started. Don't say I did not really tell you. So I'm expecting to see pairs which are going with the dollar to start to give us some very nice bullish momentum. But just because we're saying that we are on a downtrend, it's not like maybe the market won't reverse and start to give us something like that. No, the market, even if we are on a downtrend, we will still see the market doing something like this. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. We are on a downtrend. Let's see what's really happening. GBPUSD. Oh, this one was very, very straightforward. If you still remember, yesterday I've been talking about the support area, and the market did that. The market actually did that. Now we confirmed this area. Now it's a very proper support. I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. On top there, we have a proper resistance. The market might reach that, maybe pushed a little bit lower, but at the end of the day, we know that the market will be pushing to the upside. Simple as that. But what I know is, I think today or tomorrow we have, let's check that. I closed that, it's fine. We have interest rates from Britain and also Europe, so maybe that might change the way the market moves, but I believe that we might still see a continuation of this trend. We are very, very bullish. We are very, very, very bullish. I told my people to buy, but it was a bit later. But what I like is I've been sending the signals for a buy here for maybe for a week now, but the market was just playing around that. But you know what? At the end of the day, the market did push. The market did push to the upside. Guess what? Exactly what I've been preaching about. That's why we say be part of the team. Try to learn and do this thing on your own. Next year, we're starting with that. That is going to be our premium, guys. So just to be on your side non-stop, just to help you here and there. You know you want to improve. You know you want to improve. So don't just say you have to lose money to make money. That thing, it's not actually true. Lose money or risk money before you make money. I believe that, but I think maybe we don't really go deeper on that. Don't just lose unnecessarily. Lose the amount that you are willing to lose to make money. But if you just go on the market without any knowledge, that doesn't really make sense. You can't say we have to risk money to make money. Yes, we risk calculated money that we are willing to lose. That's why you should invest on yourself, guys. Invest on yourself, read books, do all these things, because coming here showing you and we telling you that, oh, I just ate here. To me, it looks simple, but maybe someone lost yesterday. That's why if it doesn't really feel good to say, oh, I did eat 1, 2, 3, and someone is still crying somewhere else. You see, or maybe you made some very smaller profit, but just look at this move. Or maybe we're still going to continue to say, okay, we are on an uptrend. As you can see, obviously, we are on an uptrend. We are going to continue buying. But at the end of the day, you don't actually make anything. That's sad. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. But what I know is there are demons that are stopping people. You know, there's those people who will say, I will make it. I will make it. Those are also demons because they just make you stuck. How long did you say that? How long did you repeat to say, I will make it? I will make it. Maybe you have 2, 3 years. You're not making it. You think maybe you will discover something. No, find someone to help you. There's people who already eating now. Find them and they will show you. Don't just waste time and say, oh, I will find. Yeah, but you are now in stress, guys. It's December. Maybe you need to buy some stuff, but maybe you don't really have enough. Find someone. Stop wasting money. Find someone who's going to help you. Even if you don't really join me, but just find someone. I know the pain of trying not to give up, trying to be disciplined, but you just don't really have enough information. You just need someone who is going to teach you or to show you. There's nothing wrong finding some help somewhere. There's nothing wrong with that. But that might save you a lot. You know, just take that as an advice. I'm not saying that join me only. There are so many people that you can join, guys. There are so many people that you can join. I'm eating, so it's not like maybe I need that because I can still eat on my own. But I feel pain for those people who are still stuck somewhere and they're trying to make it. Maybe they reach their last cash. Just imagine, maybe you just resigned and you're trying to make it on your own and you lose everything. Just imagine if you did try to get someone, and from that you get help while you still have money. While you still have your bonuses, you need someone. You don't wait for your account to blow. You get some help. It's like someone who get a win lottery. Instead of getting some assistance immediately, because things are still good, right? They don't look for help. They don't need for the financial advisors and stuff like that. No, they wait until they're left with 1%. And then they start to think about getting someone to help them. It's too late. You see, it's too late. Don't say I did not tell you. Anyways, it's December, guys. We need to be happy, but I need to also advise you. It's not about the only the analysis and stuff, but you need to be on your own also. That's why I also encourage people to do the mentorship. Why? Because you learn and you go and do your own thing. You see, it's not like it's supposed to be only the few who can also provide the signals. You also have to make your own signals. I hope you understand. So anyways, on Euro USD, we are on a very nice uptrend. FOMC just pushed that up. Rate cuts are welcomed, so it means things are going good in the market. So I'm still expecting, even if we have some rejections here and there, but this uptrend now it's guaranteed, and the market, especially against the dollar, it's guaranteed we are going to see some very nice push to the upside. So we're just waiting for some reversals because already the market is high. So gold, whoa. Gold, I told my people to also jump on this. Why? Because I saw the market was going up, crashing this support area. So which means this was not actually a fake breakout, but we can say that was just an adjustment. So what we're going to do here is the market is now on an uptrend. It means we can accommodate this push there and draw it like that. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to try to find where the market is going to reverse and stuff like that, and give us maybe another touch. We can say, let me clear that and start afresh. I think this area can make something. You see that? Let's try to get that. Let's try to get that. Let's try to get that. You see? We not really have to force it, but we can try with this first line. The second line can be on the outer side. Since yesterday, the market has been pushing up very nice, which shows the bullish. And I think it's still going to continue today when the market, US market opens. So what do we see? We see that yes, the market was struggling to push the lower side. We've drawn our support there. Then the market is now pushing to the upside. Now we have a new support which shows moves like this. You can see this is what we have. So even though we say the market is pushing to the upside, what I'm expecting is we might still have a nice reversal, but at the end of the day, we are pushing to the upside. Or sometimes the market, if it doesn't really want you to catch it, the market might start to create something like that and starting to push the upside and not even come back here anytime soon. So we will have an inner trend going further, right? So let's push to the next one. Hey, this video is already long. This video is already long. US30, it was flying yesterday. So what do we have? We have a very nice structure, bullish momentum. We're no longer on that sell, obviously. You can see we were waiting for a breakout here, and it happened. Very nice. So what are we expecting? I don't think the market will actually reverse up to that point. I'm expecting the market to just give us a sort of a consolidation, and we can draw that as a resistance. Similar to here. Then once it breaks out, we're going to jump on that, because I think until maybe next week, we will see the market pushing up very nice. And the market can do that. We have some very great news. You can see this move here. You did not really miss anything. If maybe you missed this move, don't cry and say, oh, I missed the market. No, the market can push like that for quite some time. Let me show you. Let me show you something. You will see that I'm not lying. Just look from this area. Let's push. Beside this move, just look at that push. You can see we never had a proper reversal. So this move here is too small, guys. Don't cry for that. So I'm still expected to see maybe another push, a nice reversal maybe. If it doesn't really happen, we will continue pushing up. Why? We have the good news. The market can still push like this. The market can give us a very nice uptrend for a year or two. Next year, I'm expecting the market to fly, guys. I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish momentum for the whole year, especially when they say they're going to cut the rates. That is actually good. For those who know how to trade Nasdaq and US30, they know that the market can actually be on an uptrend for the whole 6 months. If not, I'm not saying that it will just push straight up, no, but the market can still reverse, give us something like that. But at the end of the day, we are on a very nice uptrend. I think those bullish trends, they are back. I think they are back. Also on Nasdaq, you can see there's nothing much I can show you here. The market just broke out of their structure. Let's expect a nice maybe rejections around this area. If the market breaks that, we continue to buy, or maybe the market will try to reverse, but I don't really see a reversal. But obviously we are on a very nice bullish momentum, and I'm expecting to see that happen. I'm expecting to see that market pushing to the upside. So if you will be part of the team next year, from January, come, let's eat together. Come join the team. I will be your mentor. So yeah, S&P 500 also, the market is pushing to the upside. You can see we smashed that. So there is nothing much that I can show you. I'm just going to, maybe I will do another analysis before the market close. Maybe we'll have something different. So let me repeat, guys, for those who want to be part of the team, or before I go on that mentorship, yes, if you want to be part of the team, you can scan that QR code and you can join, maybe lifetime, 12 months, 6 months, whatever that you want to join there. You can just post the video. But what I want most is for you to be independent. Get our VIP mentorship. Let's mentor you. Be with someone who knows their story. So 12 months for me, it's enough, but I will leave you once you are consistent trading, you see. So 12 months, mentorship, one-on-one live sessions until you get better. This is not only for beginners. Even if you are intermediate but still you don't really see some results, yes, you are welcome. Talk to me. Let's see what we can get. Maybe things might change for good. Next day it's a new year. Let's start with a new mindset. So anyways, this is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.